So here's a quick video tour of my room in Pattaya. This is a $50 a night room in Pattaya in a luxury condo. The room is a bit smaller, but I don't care because I don't need that much room. And it's pretty kick-ass. Has a really nice infinity pool, which hopefully I'll get to see later on. But it comes with a refrigerator, washer. I assume this is actually the washer dryer since there's no actual line outside like the last place. Bathroom, shower, and this time there is a fog glass thing, which is nice. Bedroom area here. This is a one-bedroom condo with a sliding glass door, which is pretty cool. And all this is mine for the next 2 nights. I'm only staying for 2 nights before I head to Cambodia. The view here is pretty nice too. Obviously, down below is not so nice, but the upper view is very nice. I am by the beach. You can actually see the Pattaya city sign in the background there. Now, on the drive-in, which by the way took a long time, the traffic and on the highway is ridiculous. Getting in and out of the highways, off the highways, onto the rest areas, you name it, it's just crazy. It took like 2.5 to 3 hours. We did stop in the middle too for a little bit at a rest stop, which I took a video of. I'll post that later on. The rest stops here are insane. They're like mile long with every kind of restaurant and everything you could imagine, and the traffic going in and out, that's bad. Anyway, on the drive into Pattaya itself, it looks awesome. Pattaya looks like a kick-ass little beach town vibe going on. There's all kinds of shops and stores along the way. Since it is by a beach, that would make sense that it's a beach town type thing. And also it's supposed to be a pretty cool nightlife, a little crazy like Bangkok itself, maybe even more so. Up on the roof of the Edge Hotel, like I was saying in my other video that I uploaded, this is a beach place. We are right by the beach at one of the luxury hotels here. For only $50 US a night, you get an amazing room, and absolutely amazing if you're going to see. There is 2 pools. It looks like an infinity pool on the top and then another pool down here. It looks like a smaller pool here, but this place is just top notch. I'm very excited to go out and look around, but I wanted to take a look at the pool first. And then this is the infinity pool up here. But yeah, this is the infinity pool up top. It is, again, the views just amazing. I don't know how much these condos actually cost to purchase. However, that being said, I did see advertisements, then I went up for luxury condos. I think the translation dollar amount was starting at about 100,000. So I'm assuming that's probably one of the smaller rooms like I have here. But this is Pattaya.